Hi there. For today's reading activity, it is very similar to Monday's reading activity, which was author's purpose. So on the slide, I have two images of different book covers. And so what I would like for you to do is get your reading journal out and go to a clean sheet of paper. Okay. Today's date is, 12/2/20. I would like for you to write the title, Author's Purpose. Remember, when we write a title, it helps us to, if we ever come back to this page, to remember what we were focusing on, which was author's purpose. Okay. Now on this slide, I have two different covers of books. I want you to write the numbers 1 and 2, okay? So I would like for you to look at each cover and try to figure out whether or not that author wrote that book to persuade the reader, inform, the reader, or to entertain the reader. Remember, P-I-E, pie. Okay, so I know you may not have read those books, but I did choose two books with covers and titles that should be kind of, I don't want to say easy for you to figure out, but you should be able to look at the cover and read the title and try to figure out as best as you can what the author was trying to do, okay? I know you may not have read them, but just look at the cover and the title. This is just a warm-up to help us continue practicing and focusing on author's purpose.